National Weather Service and State College has issued a flood warning for urban area and small stream in northeastern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 1 a.m. At 10:59 p.m., the heaviest rainfall has ended. However, flooding will continue. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Ephrata, Lidditz, Millersville, Willow Street, New Holland, East Petersburg, Akron, Leola, Paradise, Reamstown, Rossville, Strasburg, Gap, Terre Hill, Churchtown, Bearville, Leacock, Smithville, and Lampeter. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash.
Locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Ephrata, Lidditz, Millersville, Willow Street, New Holland, East Petersburg, Akron, Leola, Paradise, Reamstown, Rothsville, Strasburg, Gap, Terre Hill, Churchtown, Bearville, Leacock, Smithville, and Lampeter. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.